Right. Do you know anything about this solar panel?
I know all about it.
Is it good looking?
It's good looking, as you can see here. Let's have a look. Do a close-up shot on this panel. You can see it's quite visually distinctive to the other products in the market. Three key things I want to highlight for this new Gen 3 Infinite series, as you see here on the watermark.
These are
the numbers. So the numbers are 25%, 500 watts, and the residential standard footprint size, right? So 1762 by 1134. What AIKO has done a bit different here in this latest generation is three key things. Number one is InvisiRibbon. As the name suggests, invisible ribbon.
I've seriously just met him. I didn't even tell him we're going to talk about this. Have you waited all day with this script for me, have you?
You can say that, yes.
All right, unbelievable. Look, it's a good-looking panel. I want to talk slightly. I could give the three advantages out. It's InvisiRibbon, but what does that mean?
That means we maximize the frontal-facing silicon area of the panel. There's no gaps on the horizontal axis, and we remove the ribbons from the middle, the tops, and the bottom.
I mean, they're still there, but you just can't see them, is it?
It's hidden, tucked behind the cell.
Because, I mean, somehow the electricity starts to flow. Okay, that's number one. What's number two?
For our metal electrodes, it's fully converted to copper. There's no silver paste, anything in the panels.
But that's just because silver has become so expensive, so you guys are a bit of cheapskates.
Bypass that vulnerability from silver pricing, that's correct, yes.
Okay, and what's number three?
Three is, what else? So we have the overlapping of the cells. So once again, just focusing on that area of maximizing frontal-facing silicon area.
But I mean, I'm surprised you're not mentioning 500 watts. I mean, I grew up on 167 and 175 watts. You're now replacing a 250 watt panel that you're pulling off your roof with a 500. But why do I need a bigger solar system anyway?
Yeah, I mean, you're right. 2 years ago, the biggest LG commercial panel was 450. And here we are with a panel shorter than me, I hope, with 500 watts. So it's quite astounding, honestly.
I'm here with Josh from Solarpro. They're servicing Sydney's north. And, you know, one of the things that a lot of people start to look over now is solar panels. You know, everything's talking batteries, but solar panels are actually a main factor in your system. So Josh, can you tell me what panels do you enjoy selling at Solarpro?
We're loving the AIKOs there because it's hard to beat at the moment. I don't think there's another panel on the market that's doing 500 watt in a residential panel now. So 25% efficiency, and it's priced very well for what it is. So it's really hard to beat AIKOs at the moment. So
for those who don't, or maybe let's simplify it a little bit, 500 watts. So basically, we used to start back in the day with 180 watts. So 500 watt, which basically means you can put less panels on your roof for more power. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah. So if you are a home that doesn't have a lot of roof space, using an AIKO panel, you maximize the available roof space that you can get there, and you can still end up with a pretty large system with a good panel like an AIKO.
And it's also they're offering the all black aesthetic look. Are you seeing that a lot of people are taking that into consideration as well when they're purchasing a solar system?
Yes, for sure. Like if it's any street-facing property or any property, it's quite visible from the street, always an all-black panel there. Look, I think it's 495 watt now for the all-black, so it's only 5 watts. So they look fantastic. It makes your house look, modern, sleek, nice. So.
I'm here with Carlos, and Carlos is a bit of an institution in the industry because he's been there pretty well right from the beginning. Not as long as me, but quite a bit. And he works for Amber, and we all know Amber is doing very well at the moment in that VPP space with batteries. I'm surprised you still got energy. But we're talking today about the AIKO panel because Carlos, actually as an end customer, who's been in the industry for so long and who knows what's good and what's so-so, has picked the AIKO for his own house. Tell us a little bit about what did you pick, why did you pick it, did you have a tight roof, you needed a high efficient panel, or you just into good looks?
Bit of a mix of everything. The AIKO is good for shade mitigation. We've got a bit of tree coverage over the roof. It's also coastal, so it's we're probably within 200 meters of the ocean. So nice to have the kind of like with the AIKO security and the brand, and just knowing that they're going to be around. It is a good looking panel. Like I went for the all blacks. Like everyone likes an all black panel, and the efficiency is great as well. So it was a logical choice for us.
And price point wise, in the old days when I was with LG, those kind of back contacts, we sold them for $9. Now these ones are very similar in price point to actually the more standard panels, which is really like, hang on, I can get a Mercedes for a Toyota price kind of thing. Is that what appealed as well?
Yeah, I mean, I as you know, I like some of the finer things in life. So
Yeah, he's a tight ass as well.
He is a tight ass as well. But yeah, I wanted something a little bit more premium, and the AIKO ticked all of those boxes, so it was great.
So that's an end customer who's been in the industry for a long, long time, and when he picked it for his own house, you can't beat that. If you're a homeowner at home and you've got a roof, it is only a given capacity. And whatever the guy that walks in tells you, sorry, I'm the proponent of say, other than you having a huge house, go for the largest possible system. Don't stop at 8, go to 12, go to 15. I've stopped at 35 kilowatt hours. Now what that means is my EV that I just bought, I'm now powering it through the solar and the battery and my little zappy charger. I'm now powering my EV. I've been driving it since I bought it 500k.
Congrats.
And I total it, the export that I lost in solar, it's 85 cents. All right? You go and drive 500k on oil, it's going to be a little bit more than 85 right now, especially if it's diesel. So my point is, you want a higher efficient panel because you want to whack the biggest possible system on your roof. And you cannot whack the biggest possible system on your roof if you don't go with the highest efficient panel. And the irony was, when I was selling the highest efficient panel, we were double the price of a standard normal panel. But these are now literally on par with the price point for the normal panels. Are you still 10, 15 cents more or not?
That's not true anymore. This year we're pretty much on par with the TopCon counterparts, which we're really excited for.
Which causes another problem, so I'm going to tell you off a little bit.
Tell me.
I wanted some AIKO panels for a project that we're supporting, a wildlife sanctuary.
Ah, yes.
And I'm running around and all the distributors say they are sold out of AIKOs. So there's no point us getting everybody excited about your product if you're not bringing enough into Australia. That's your fault.
You're not the first one and not the last one to tell me this on this week at Smart Energy Expo, but definitely it's a temporary dip in supply and demand, where the demand has definitely outweighed the supply at the current time, but it will be fixed very shortly, within next month.
You heard it. Otherwise, give Ramsey a call and say, I heard it on You Energy Answers. Where's my panel?
Bring the receipts. Thank you, Markus.
Thank you.
Thank you for stopping by. And
Okay.
I hope everyone got a good understanding about the value proposition and the BC technology. AIKO invested early on BC, which is why we're able to offer at that price point, which is really competitive, without the premium price tag.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.